guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Joyce here, and if you're new, then a huge welcome to you. Today I'm so excited because I have a package from SONRÍA Slimes. Now please excuse my nails. My cousin decided to paint my nails yesterday and I could not find the nail polish remover, so we're just gonna have to work with these chunks. Anyways, I ordered 3 slimes from them, so let's get straight on into opening this thing. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. And if you have any video suggestions or anything you want to see from me, please comment them down below and I will try my best to do them for you. Alright, let's get straight on into the review. So this package came in like 5 days, which is pretty nice. And everything came in this super cute pink poly mailer. And let's take a look. Oh, okay, so she actually double wrapped the package. There is another package inside of here, so let's just get this one out. Here it is, so that is great. Alrighty, so the first thing is a cute little invoice with all the slimes that I ordered. And then inside we have our cute little extras bag, and then we have our slimes, which I am so excited to get into. I also got some more candy, so let's get into. She gave me a super yummy Laffy Taffy along with a care bag, and inside was her super cute business card. It had her care sheet and her handles. There was a super cute little lollipop, and there was also some borax. I love the label. In other reviews, I did see that she supplied some citric acid as slime softener, but that is okay. So let's get into the review. So the first slime that I ordered is called Slime It. This was a slime inspired by Cheez-Its. This was a super inflatable butter slime scented like cheesecake, and the scent was so delicious. It inflated so much and became so sizzly and poofy, and the color was so beautiful. It was a lot more vibrant in real life, and overall I thought this slime was great. I give it a 10 out of 10 for sure. So the next slime that I got is called Fanto, and this was inspired by the soda Fanta, and I actually got this slime for free because of a deal which she was having. This slime is one of her icy textures, and it became so sizzly, and it made some great pokes and bubble pops. The slime was scented like orange Fanta, and it smelled so good. It smelled just like the soda. You could smell the carbonation, like that's how good it was. This slime was a little stiff though, but that is probably not her fault because it is getting a little chilly where I live. And it did have a little bit of snow fallout, but that is to be expected. And yeah, I thought this was a great slime overall. I'm giving it a 9 out of 10, and I'm just taking a point off because of the stiffness. So the last slime that I got is called Slimy Taffy, and this is one of her thick and glossy textures. And honestly, this was probably my favorite slime. It smelled kind of like strawberry yogurt, and it smelled so good. But the texture, it was so glossy and so thick. It made the best bubble pops and pokes. It was so holdable. This just was amazing. I give it a 10 out of 10 for sure. I mean, look at that. Oh, look at that gloss. I mean, I can't. This was such a good slime. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Guys, please check out her shop. She is so underrated, and I love this package so much. You guys, I have linked her shop down below in the description, so go see if there's any slimes you want to snatch. I recommend all the ones that were in this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below, and I will definitely try my best to do them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in next week's video. Bye!